So hey guys, good evening to all of you. Let me come to your chat and see how many of you are here. Okay. So let me bring this here. So I'm coming guys, just a second. Yeah. Yeah, wait, good evening, Baru. Yeah, Monday morning is never a good, like not Monday morning, but like Monday is never a great day, but okay. Awesome. What happened?
With Soumya, hope you all are doing.
One second, guys. Something weird happened. Give me a second. Yes. Just a second, let me come to your chat. So today I'll explain you the entire thing about the portfolio website. One second. Okay. Pop out. Yes. So, okay. So I hope all of you are here. A great good evening to all of you. Okay. So this session got a little extended, basically. Like we did not plan to extend it this much, but like due to my health and other things got extended a little, right? Anyway. So just for this session, what I have thought, okay, like it's totally up to you. How do you want to take it? Okay, because again, Monday, like I am a little down. So okay. Thank you, Abhishek. I miss you guys too. Okay. It's really great to come here at 10 o'clock. But sometimes like what happened due to excess work, basically, I feel a little exhausted and sometimes it's get a little difficult to teach. That happens sometimes. Okay. And today it's unfortunately that day. But anyway. Okay, guys. So what to do? I'll first quickly explain you a few things about the portfolio. Now you have two options here, just for this project. Okay. Step number one, I'll explain you the full portfolio website today, means how to make it, guide you through it. No. Like we'll continue today only. Like I'm not so ill. And just like sometime when you write the code throughout the day, sometime what happens? Like at a time, you don't want to code more. No, that's the only part. Like your hands are fading, your heads are a little down. Okay. 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 I would have made the whole project, but you did not share. I shared the icons, right? I guess. So okay, some of the icons would be missing, right, in that folder, right? Okay. I guess then we have to search for icons, right? Okay. I'll show you some of the website where we can find icons. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Okay. So, how many of you have made the menu part? Let me know. Like if you have made the menu part. Margin auto. Oh, margin auto, you did not understood. Okay, I will give you an idea. 1 second. Please share that folder link again. Okay. Have you seen our website that we fill link in challenge form? I didn't get share. I didn't get your idea. Some people has made it, or some Abhijit, or some Praveen. Yeah, awesome Python Jindagi. Okay. Have you seen our website that we will fill link in challenge form? Sri, I did not get you, Sri. Which website are you talking about? Okay, challenge form link. I did not get it. Get your idea. Okay, no problem, Priyanka. Okay, I made. Okay, some people have made it. Okay, let's give it a try. Some. Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem. Let's give it a try. 1 second. Let me do the setup and share me the screen. Share the screen. Okay. I'll explain with this part, margin auto. Someone like last day I forgot to explain, right? Okay. Oh, asking about our portfolio that website we submitted. Okay, sorry guys, I did not go through your code. Basically, like I am thinking to go through the code after this portfolio website gets ended. Then I am thinking to go. Oh, okay. Awesome. What are you building today? We are starting with the menu, right? Okay, that's bit at least something, right? So let me write a menu part for some time. Yes, background is virtual. I am basically using an app called, like if you see, this is app, okay, which I generally use it. So if you see, I can instantly switch backgrounds. Okay, these things I can do it easily. But this is more like what do you say? I'm kind of someone giving you can hologram type of thing, right? In this. Awesome. Let me be back to that thing. Which template did I choose for today? This one, living room. Perfect. Okay. I want to, okay, there are a few questions. Okay, let me have a look. This is called MM. Okay, you can see the spelling. Let me see. Okay, so this is the name. MMHMM. Okay. MMHMM. That is the spelling of the app. You pronounce it like Okay. Yeah, Shreya, I got your question. I'm coming to questions. Explain our transition in CSS. I will, because there are a number of things here. I'll explain you. Okay. We are done with flex. Explain our transition in CSS. I got your point. I want to animate my site. Okay. Animate in what sense? There are a lot of possibilities of animation. Like if I click on a button, okay, that button can behave differently when I hover on it, when I don't hover on it. Okay. So that is also animation. Okay. It depends what animation you are trying to do. Is it very slow? I don't get it, Sivan. Which question? Okay, 2050 Abhishek sir, I did not get it. What is this 2050? Okay, submit the one which we have made it. Okay, so I guess step number one, guys. First, upload it to GitHub, and then I'll give you like what is a form. Then I'll give like you for Flexbox. I guess you can look at the previous video now, so no need to revise now. Like I can, but like it will be okay. But there are many problems. Okay, let's have a look. Okay. Oh, was my screen not shared when I showed you the app? Oh, 1 second, guys. I thought my screen was shared. 1 second. Let me show you that screen share app. I thought my screen was shared. Give me a second. Okay. So guys, this is the app. So now my screen is shared. I can see, you can see it. This is the app that basically I was using. Yeah. So I can easily switch backgrounds. Okay. Anything like this. So let's go with any backgrounds. Thank you guys. Let's continue. Okay. Quite difficult, but okay. Just give me a second. Let me do the setup. How many website setup I have? How many monitor setup you have? I have 2 monitor setup, thinking to make one more. Like I have a horizontal one. Now I need a vertical one. Okay. So one computer, 2 monitor setup. It's the ideal thing. Okay. So okay. Awesome. Projects. Let me open the project. Just a second. It is a required It is required monitor. I did not get you. What do you mean by that? No. Monitors are not of Apple. Okay, only the laptop is of Apple. Okay. Is it required monitor? What do you mean? I did not get it. Like, no, monitor is like monitor. I basically use it for like my work. Like, it is not required with my laptop. You can buy anything very use. Yes, but I can like it doesn't work like that. No? Uh, like if I buy a lot of extra thing, I also have a mom. She will kick me out. Uh, yes. In the React week now, I'll teach you the React part. Okay. Two monitor setup required. Basically, why do I require a monitor setup? Is like I teach on one laptop screen. Okay. And one monitor screen usually like if like I'm teaching, then I monitor the students. Okay. And okay, one laptop screen is free just to see my office work if I get some things from my office like mails or other things. So that is always open. That is a major thing. Okay. In this course, you'll get the certificate and all, so don't worry about that. Okay. So now let me open it here. So where is our project? So guys, we are on YouTube. Portfolio website. So let me now share my screen where it is. Share the screen, desktop one. Are you a successful person in your vision? Not actually. Like the reason is one second. There is some one app which is taken here. Not actually. My vision is something a little much bigger than this. What I'm currently doing. Okay, and companies are just a part of my vision. So I'll not say I'm still successful. I'm trying to be. I guess you guys can see my screen. If you can, just let me know. Okay, please tell me the reason. The reason is like what I have thought to achieve it. Okay, I am not still there. That's the only reason. Okay, I don't consider myself a failure person, but the problem is now like when you achieve a particular thing in life, like okay, let's suppose your dream is to be a top in your college. Once that dreams get over, suddenly you'll get another dream. Okay, you will chase after that. So that thing doesn't stop. That's the main reason. So once I complete something, I get another dream or I get another opportunity. Okay, recently I got an opportunity, like I'll not disclose the company name because it's still in the process. Okay, I got an opportunity from a company to be a co-founder with some percentage they are giving. Okay, so these kind of opportunity you get, okay, and you see it's a good opportunity. So you then a different dream come to your life, okay, and you chase that dream if you think that is a good dream. So that is why, okay. And also like if you say like but I should have an aim in life, of course. So the aim is only few things just to be quite successful, okay, but I have not decided the point where I'll be. So you can say I'm happy with my life and currently proceeding as the life is taking me, okay. And I'm trying a lot of things, like I am even trying YouTube videos, I'm even trying teaching, I'm even developing, I've even tried content writing, I have even tried like what do you say means content creation. So there are a lot of things I have tried. Your full stack internship, like full stack internship, yes. So that thing has been pushed by 1 week, Shrisha. Okay. So let's try to at least do something. Okay. And some of the questions are always there. Currently in my team, I don't have an internship option, but if there is an internship option, if you find it on career website, do let me know, like what do you say? On my LinkedIn, I can easily refer you, not a problem. Okay, so let's guys continue. Let me know if you can see my screen. Yes, no. That was a question and we got lost up in the question. Okay. Sir, are you taking some such bootcamp such based on no blockchain? I don't know. Like I am trying to learn blockchain. Okay, it's in my learning phase. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, let's continue. Okay. So what I do here? So let me open this. Where were we? Yes. Thank you guys. Awesome. Awesome. So there are a few things now we have to do here. So we have created a menu kind of thing. Now, what are the problems? The problems are the like how to use flex layout here. That is what, of course, you can put colors, you can put backgrounds, you can increase the font size. That's not a problem. So now the first thing, if you know that, if you remember my design earlier, this home, about, service, work, blog, and contact. Okay. Contact should be here, right? On the right side. Perfect. Like if you see the design, I'll show you the actual design. Projects. Open with, let's suppose. Okay. So this is the design, right? So if you see it, okay, let me put it on second screen. Margin auto, 1 second, guys. He is asking from a lot of time. 1 second, guys. Okay, so let's take this. Okay. Code pen. Okay. Opening a code pen. Okay, so that I can explain you that margin auto. Have a look. Okay, so let me have this. Like, let's suppose, let's have a paragraph. Okay, let's write hello here. Okay, code pen is online ID. Yes, yes. Okay, let's take a hello. Okay, let's give it a background. Okay, let's close the JavaScript part. Let's close the background. Okay. Now let's try to give it some margin. Okay. Let's suppose 10 pixels and 20 pixels. Okay. So what does this 10 pixel do? This is the distance from top and right. Okay. And this 20 pixels is like the distance from left and right. Okay. Let's try to give it auto. Okay. So, and let's suppose, let's give it 0. Okay. Yep, guys. So what changes did I saw here? Could you guys explain? Any idea? Suggestions? Come on, guys. Anyone would like to explain? Hello, I am audible? Yes, no? You guys got so quiet suddenly. Hello, hey, anyone there? Yeah. You guys, anyone like to explain? Yes. It's left margin from right. Yes, yes. P centered with OPX on top and bottom. Okay. This is 0. This is auto, no? So auto is of left and right, correct? Top and bottom is this. Background color from top and bottom is not there. P is centered. Left and bottom margin depends on the screen size. Awesome. It is centerward. Okay, got it. So basically, 0 or autumn will basically center your things, right? in left and right ones. So this is basically centered, right? Awesome. Great. Awesome. Let's come here. So now let's continue to the next thing, and we are here, okay, in this particular section. So you can see this particular container, right? At this particular container, I'll use a class. Let's suppose some class. Let's suppose you create a class, okay? So, oh, it's centered. Okay, for you, it's like what basically happens. No, I am taking this class on Zoom. Like basically, Zoom meeting is getting transferred on YouTube. So it will be 30 to 40 seconds slow between what I say and what is reached to you sometime. Okay. Okay. Let's suppose I have used the class.flex. Okay. And I'm putting display flex. So now see what will happen. Nothing basically happened. So let's, okay, because we did not put a class name there. No? Let's put a class. Let's, so you can use multiple class. Okay, at the same place, you can use multiple class. So let's, okay. 1 second, nothing happened. Let me see what basically happened. So, okay, sorry. Let me see. This is a div. No? There are two sections here inside this div. Oh, this one is nav. There is one more div here. Okay, this is class left. Okay, and this is class right. Okay, so let's give a div here. Class is equals to flex. Okay, this went on right side, correct? So why did this went on right side? Because this class, okay, has two sections. This is one div. Okay, you can see this div is starting, this div is ending, and then this is the second div. So let me put it at the same place so you can observe it. Okay, there are two div between nav. Okay, okay, so these two div got left and right. Okay, they got aligned in the row. Okay. Now this thing, I want to like what do you say? This is the image, like image, and these are the text. Okay, these two also I want to align in the same row. How can you align it? So basically, like see, this is the one div, this is the second div. These divs are under left, right? So you can basically use it here, right? Let's. So now this is here. Great. So now what do you say? What you want to add some space between them. So if you see the design, okay, what basically is there? There is some space between them, right? Okay. Great. So what can you do? Like I guess it's equal space, left, right, this space, and this space, right? Which property of flex you will use it? Let me know fast. Okay, remember, this is the horizontal one. We are arranging it horizontally, not vertically. So which property you will use and what will be the value? Fast guys, all of us studied flex last class. Which property of flex will you use? Justify content. Okay, padding. Okay, padding is also a good option. And one is justify content. Awesome. Row. Justify content evenly. But justify content evenly is okay, totally, but it will not work exactly like this because these are not of a part of a single div, right? See. So see, flex, I have used at two places. Okay, this is one container, right? This is at one particular place where I use a flex, right? Okay, if you see it properly, okay. So now let's try to use, this is flex, no? So at this particular place, see what at this particular place, first I'll try to use, and then this at this particular place. So everything will be, there will be space evenly, right? Justify content space evenly. Okay. So there are some space, there is some more space. So could some of you explain it? You will understand it. Like we'll basically shift to padding, but yeah, why justify content is not working as expected? Okay, of course I'm a little down speaking today. That is like Monday. Come on, guys. Go on, go on. Basically, you have to research on the things. Just doing a certain thing doesn't help. If something is working some space between, it doesn't matter. Like if one property does not work, we'll try other property. This is not how it goes. Okay. Yes, that's a nice answer. Ambo, there are two divs. Very good. Okay. There are two divs. That's the major issue. Awesome, guys. Okay. So now let's have a look. Okay. So step number one. So this is a first div where there is a flex. Okay. So these two div will be, and there will be some space between them. These two particular place, of course, which I want a space between these two places. So this is okay. So for the first one I want, but now these two places, okay. For this flex, these will be two divs. Okay. For this, I'll think that I want to give a space or not a space. Okay. Okay. So this is a flex layout. Let's create another class. Okay, let's keep it like justify, whatever name you want to give. Okay, so I'm giving it a class dot justify. This sorry, justify content space event. Awesome. I did not get your question, dear Nath. Why for? Okay, justify space event. Let me correct it. Sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Basically, there are multiple classes, no? So it will be. Awesome. So now this contact button is here. Okay. Can we have duplicate attribute names like you did? I did not get it. What do you mean by duplicate attribute name? Trisha? Can you give a quick recap on flexbox? Maybe like some next day, not today. Okay. Today I'm not too like flexbox is an interesting topic. I don't want to bore you with such an interesting topic today. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. I did not get you. Can you elaborate your question a little more, Srisha? Can we assign class 2 times? Yes, you can assign a single class 2 times. We have done it, no? Yeah, flex here also and flex here also, right? I meant you wrote class twice, which you corrected just now. Yeah, thanks. Thank you. Yes, Srisha. Awesome, guys. So now you have done it, right? Okay, similarly, now some space is needed between them. Okay, so now you need some certain space. So now you know how to add some space between them. Like we have read the margin concept. Okay, so you can add some space between them or you can use a property. And then what are the next thing that we need to do? These things are very much touching the top, right? I want it to put a little down, right? So from the margin top, I'll put it a little down, right? Correct? And then I'll style it, where you can click buttons and see what different options do. Okay, flexbox cheat sheets. Okay. Neon, I have not prepared a cheat sheet kind of thing for flexbox where you can click a button and see what's the different options do. Okay. Awesome, guys. Okay, I don't want to continue too much today. I don't want it to bore. I guess try to continue it. Okay, basically what I'll do, like this is getting little extended, which I don't want. Okay, so maybe like what can I do? I'll record a complete solution for you. Okay, step number 1. I don't want to give this topic very extended. It got extended because of my health. Okay, so I will record the complete portfolio website and send it to you on the Discord. Okay, go through it once. Okay, And then I will like, what do you say, we'll discuss over it in one class, like go through it in a day or two, and then I'll discuss it in one class if you have any particular doubts on those things. Okay. And like will from next week I will try to be like, what do you say, a little more energetic in these things. What are the problem if there are two divs? Okay, but there is no problem there are two divs. I mean to say the problem was there was nested div. That was the problem. So this flex that got applied to art between these div and this div, right? The div which is nested to it, they would not have a property because of this flex, right? That was a problem. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll keep it a little low today. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Everything. Okay. No, sir. Okay. 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 So what are your comments about the idea that I told? Okay. Should I send you recorded things on your Discord for tomorrow, just for this portfolio website? I don't want to extend it too much. Okay. In the live sessions, it has been extended more than a week, no? Because there was some initial discussion first time we met. Okay. Okay. So when will you start our next project? Will be started on Tuesday. Okay. Coming Tuesday. Yeah. So 1 second, please send us the link again. Okay. Can you refresh by telling us your whole career story? Not today, guys. Okay. Today I'm not in a so refresh mood. Okay. So maybe sometime when we are when we have almost in the middle of something, when we don't want to, like maybe we have studied a difficult topic and you guys don't want to study something more, in that part I can say that. Okay. So you'll also feel a little entertained. Today I'm also not feeling so entertained to tell the story nicely. Okay. Okay. Yeah, awesome. Just for this project. Okay, then we'll discuss over that solution. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, milk, guys. Who, like, no one wants, but Google Flex with cheatsheet.ig does not allow links. One question, guys. Will you upload it on? I'll send you directly there. Just join our Discord. No, we'll see. I'll send it to your team. They can. Okay. Okay. Definitely. Okay. 1 second, guys. 1 second. It's a Git. Someone was asking me a link. What link are you asking? If you are asking my GitHub link, so it's like just my username is pro Abhishek. Okay, so just write github.com/pro Abhishek. Or Discord link. I think it will be in the video description, one of the video description, or someone can put the Discord link here. Okay. Or it will be in the video description. If it is not in this video description, it will be in the previous video description. Okay. Awesome, guys. Okay, great, guys. So I'll catch you up soon. Okay, bye-bye.